Yo, what's up, y'all? My great friends at Nike just sent me a very special box right now, and I am about to open it. I have no idea what it is. I have some kind of, I can guess maybe what it is. Okay, we got a orange Lebron logo. Oh, well, that didn't go as planned. Can someone help me get this box out? Can you take that out for me, my brother?
Yes, sir.
Because there's no way I can film that and get, okay. All right, back to the regular scheduled program. All right, appreciate it. Okay, so first of all, I see this 1, 2, 3, y'all here with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'm guessing we're gonna go all the way to the 16 over here. Yes. So in order to open this, oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Nike getting out of control with it at this point, I'm gonna just be honest. Sorry for how long this video gonna be, but it's all gonna be worth it, I bet. So this is a LeBron 17, and I wanna read this to you. It says, "A love affair with performance air continued. The LeBron 17 feature air, of which you've received one of the first pairs. Offer a window into the next phase of Nike game-changing technology, incorporated both Air Max and Zoom Air for the greatest in-game. LeBron 17's iconic new design and cushioning continues LeBron James' iconic air-enabled signature lineage. See you on the court." The hell is? Okay, before I lost y'all, we back. This looks like some type of scroll of all. That's where it started, baby. Ooh! Air Zoom Generations. God. Stay with me y'all. Stay with me now. Stay with me. Stay with me. 5, 6, 7. One of my favorites. 8. Ooh, South Beach. 9s. 10s. 11s. 12s. Y'all already know, baby. 15s. Y'all remember when we did the LeBron watch? You see, equality, one of my favorites. 16s, all the way down to future air. 17s. Really? I ain't even opened the damn box yet. Back over to the box. Oh, little dresser drawer, huh? Man, oh man. That's how they do it. These things is like bolted down. I feel like a security alarm system gonna go off when I try to take these out. Hold up. There we go. What I got going on? All right, well, listen. What I ain't gonna do is go crazy trying to get these damn things out of there. But what I am going to show y'all is how mean those are. I told y'all I'm too excited about these ones. Ooh! I hope y'all just as lucky as I am to grab one of those. LeBron 17, baby. And we out.